I'll show a picture of what the weather forecast kind of was. So it's been up and down all week, but the decision to go today was, oh, it's 2-foot seas and 10-knot winds. You're gonna see in the video that is not what it was. There are white caps on the river. The inlet was probably the biggest day that I have been out, so it really was not a day for fishing. Tried to fish a bit for some snook on the inlet, and that really didn't work well. Just got blown around everywhere. So tried to troll a bit in and out of the inlet for see if I could get anything, but absolutely no luck today. Still fun to get out, but definitely a gnarly day out at the inlet, so stay tuned. For this part, I was actually standing up on the ski, just through the waves. A good, a bunch of rolling waves kind of coming in, one right after another. Intervals are very close together, so definitely northern winds really pushing a lot of them, as you can kind of see. Yeah, definitely a crazy little day.